Hello and welcome, Greg here from Stafford Land Rover, once again showing you our newest approved used stock. Today's the turn of this fabulous Land Rover Range Rover Velar here in a Dynamic HSE trim and powered by a P250 2-litre engine and finished in stunning Veresine blue metallic colour. It's worth pointing out this car benefits from a number of factory fitted extras, so make sure to check out the description below. Key standout features of this vehicle will include the stylish pixel LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, whilst around the side upgraded 22-inch style 1075 gloss black alloys will finish off the look. In the rear, the story is no different, with signature-shaped LED daytime running lights in the back to give your Velar a distinctive look, as well as around the side contrasting black wing mirrors are on offer, as well as a sliding panoramic roof. For extra convenience, power-operated liftgate will be complemented by keyless entry and start, revealing an absolutely cavernous load area which can create more space thanks to the folding 40-20-40 seats. Inside the cabin, ebony black leather upholstery will grace the cabin with seating for 3, as well as they've got their own 2-zone climate control and are underneath the natural light of the sunroof. In the front, decorative door and dash inserts will continue, with more pronounced front seats offering full electric adjustment with memory functionality as well. The driver can certainly look forward to operating this leather-wrapped multifunction heated steering wheel with paddle shifts for a dynamic drive, operating the interactive drive display up ahead. In the center, PV Pro navigation system features twin screen setups and is incredibly easy to use thanks to shortcuts on the right hand side. You can operate your climate control and heated seats, as well as the selectable all-wheel drive modes, giving you maximum grip all the way around. Additionally, built-in sat-nav can be displayed simultaneously on both screens for extra convenience, and you can find your favorite stations with the convenience of DAB radio. There is even Apple CarPlay and Android Auto projection with the vehicle, as well as customizable ambient lighting for the cabin inside, and helping you park is a rear view camera with wide-angle lens complemented by front and rear sensors. Moving down below, you also find a wireless induction charger for a compatible device, and overhead easy controls that can retract the electric sunshade blind and open that fabulous panoramic sunroof. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.